All right, guys, we got another winter storm that has moved through the Fairmont, Minnesota area. And yesterday it was more just rain, which wasn't too big of a deal. But then today they got about 5 to 7 inches of snow. So that's changed things a little bit. You're going to want to be careful venturing out there as some of the landings are pretty slushy and there's a lot of slush pockets on some of the lakes. I got some pictures I'll share here in this video to kind of show you what things are looking like on some of the lakes. I know Amber Lake kind of has the most snow on it, so does Sisseton as far as that goes. As we made the trip up there quick, we didn't get any videos while we were there, any pictures, because it was kind of darker out, so we didn't have much light to show you what we were seeing. But Sisseton had a lot of snow on it. Bud Lake, it's not terrible, but once again, you got to prepare yourself for being kind of slush pockets and then being a little more snow than what there was before. A little bit rougher conditions. Remember, kind of respect the landings. You don't want to be parking on the ice side by side there, right by the parking lot. We want to be careful. Respect each other out there, and don't be afraid to get out. I mean, it's not going to be impassable, but be prepared to possibly have to walk. It's going to be tough to get a vehicle around because there won't be any plowed roads or plowed paths, anything like that. You want to be aware of that and be careful of that situation there. Like I said, don't expect to just drive your vehicles right out. I expect things to harden up a little bit, but it's kind of hard to tell. Temperatures are going to change by the weekend, so it's going to be a little cooler. So it might harden things up, but you still might hit a slush pocket or two out there on each lakes. And just like I said, the landings are the most important thing. Is we want to respect those as much as possible. We don't want to beat them up and get them ruined to where we can't get out and access any of the lakes. Don't be parking side by side and in line on the lakes. There's plenty of room in the parking lots, and if you have to walk a little bit, it's not going to hurt anybody to walk instead of park side by side. But like I said, these winter storms are getting kind of fun. Making everybody's lives a little bit crazier and what's going on out there. But we just want to kind of give everybody a little bit of update what's going on. Like I said, there's 5 to 7 inches of snow roughly is what they got. And like I said, it's a little heavier, slushy, and the lakes are drifting over. So you got to watch out for that. Be prepared for that. But I don't think it's going to affect the fishing any. Like I said, the yellows are still hungry. So if you can get out there, get over to Fairmont, Minnesota, get out on the lake, and go catch you a bunch of fish. But we just want to let you know, give you a little update. And this has been Lucas Parsons with LGS Outdoors and Legends Guide Service with another Fairmont, Minnesota fishing report. Also, as far as the ice itself, I mean, haven't lost any ice. What you seen last weekend or the prior week is kind of about the same. We didn't really gain any, but we haven't lost any. So, Bud Lake's still at that 13 inches ice range, and then Hall Lake was at 15 when we were on it. So you still got decent ice out there, but just remember to be safe at all times. Be careful. Pay attention to what you're doing. Pay attention to what's in front of you. All that good stuff, because no ice is safe ice. But just want to let everybody know that, like I said, we didn't lose any ice or anything like that. The rain didn't affect anything that way. Just going to have this heavier snow, and it's going to put a little more pressure on the ice. So you just got to look out for that.